Hello and welcome to Analytics Educator. In the last video, we had learned how to create a histogram using R. Today, we are going to learn how to do a scatter plot using R ggplot. So, as usual, first we have to call the library ggplot2, and then there is an inbuilt data set which is called empty cars. So, I'll save it as empty cars, and we can quickly have a look what is there in the empty cars. So it is some data for different cars. We have miles per gallon, cylinder, horsepower, weight, okay, quarter mile per second, and all those stuff. So we are going to create a scatter plot. So how to do a scatter plot? So similarly, first I'll name it as AE, okay, short form of Analytics Educator. Then I'll write ggplot. First you write the name of the data set. Here we have named it as DF, so write DF AES aesthetics. What are the columns we are going to use for our scatter plot? Suppose I want to plot the miles per gallon versus the weight. So I want to understand that how miles per gallons are related with weight. So I'll write x equals to mpg and y equals to weight. Close the bracket, execute it. As usual, we don't have any graph created yet, so we have to write a geom statement. So it's going to be geom plus point, okay. Geom point is going to create a scatter plot. So as soon as I execute it, so still I don't get to see anything because I did not print it. So I need to write print a. Now see, I get a scatter plot. It's a very default and basic type of scatter plot, and the data points are pretty small. So if I wish, I can increase the size of these points, data points, by adding size equals to, let's make it like 5. Now it is bigger in size. In the previous video, the way we had done it, I can make it a little bit transparent by adding another argument called alpha equals to, let's say, 0.4. so sorry, I did not execute the first line. Yeah, so now see, it has become little transparent in nature, and wherever it's overlapping, that is little bit in a darker shade. Okay, so what else I can do is I can make the size based on a different variable. Suppose here, if I do not write the size, so all the data points are of equal size. So what I want is the sizes will be bigger in nature, okay, sizes will be bigger in nature based on the horsepower. Wherever the horsepowers are having high value, that data point will be having a higher size, okay. So if I want to do that, so what I can do is I'll copy paste it, and here I'll add another aesthetics AES, and I'll write size equals to horsepower. Now if I execute it, see, based on horsepower, so the sizes are appearing. Alright, now what if I do the same thing using cylinder? Okay, how many cylinders each one of these cars are having? So what if I make it like a cylinder? Now what happens, see, cylinder is giving me a similar plot, but we are having cylinder like a continuous variable, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the irony is, if I check the cylinder df$cyl, we don't have anything called 5 or 7. It's only 4, 6 and 8. However, the graph is treating it like a continuous variable. That's why we are having a like a continuous variable. which might be confusing. So in order to make our understand this is not a continuous variable, it is a categorical variable, what we have to do is we have to add this word called factor. Once I add factor, now our understands it is a categorical variable and it is going to be only 4, 6 and 8. Alright, what else we can do is we can also change the color based on the factor. So what I'll be doing is, let me copy paste it, and I can write, instead of size I can make it as color. Now again the colors will be based on the different cylinders. All the 4s will be in red, 6 will be in green. So, okay, but again this is very small in nature, so I'll have to add a size variable over here. Size equals to, let's say, 5. Now they are bigger in size. Now it is easier for us to look at it. But what if we change the color based on a continuous variable? Then let's say we don't make it a factor, we make it only horsepower, again the way we had done it previously. Now it is giving me a scale. Okay, see, this is the scale. So lower the horsepower, it's a darker shade, and higher the value of the horsepower, it's a lighter shade. And in the same way we can just change the color of the shades. This is the default colors, the dark blue and the light blue. If I wish, I can change the colors as per my wish by adding another variable, AE equals to AE plus scale color gradient. I hope I have written the spelling correctly. Scale color gradient, and I can make it high equals to maybe red and low equals to maybe blue. My favorite, the Spider-Man color. Oops, sorry, I think I have written the spelling incorrectly. Scale color, sorry, my mistake. Gradient. My mother tried to teach me spelling since I was a kid, but now you know she has failed miserably. Yeah, now we get to see the colors. Alright, now it is in my given colors. I can, if I wish, I can also use, instead of the color names like the color codes, I can choose any color as per my wish. Okay, any color, something like that, and with this color code also I can use it. Over here, instead of red, I can use this color code, and that will give me a similar type of results. No problem. Let's make it maybe some green. So this will be from green to blue, or maybe from red to green. I can do that. Yeah, so you can just play around with it as per your wish. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you with the next video.